Hey everyone, today I'm diving into how AWS is revolutionizing the aerospace industry. Let's break it down. Imagine you're designing an airplane. It's no small feat. You've got tons of data, complex simulations, and a need for rapid innovation. This is where AWS, Amazon Web Services, steps in. They're bringing cloud computing, machine learning, and analytics to the skies. Take Boeing, for example. They've shifted a huge part of their IT infrastructure to AWS. What's the result? Faster simulations, real-time data processing, and an incredible reduction in costs. This means quicker development cycles and more efficient operations. And it's not just about building planes. When it comes to space exploration, AWS is a game changer. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory relies on AWS for their Mars missions. They use AWS to process massive amounts of data from the Mars rovers, enabling scientists to make quick decisions. Remember the stunning images of Mars? Yep, processed in the cloud. But wait, there's more. Think about maintenance. Aircraft maintenance is critical and costly. With AWS's predictive analytics, companies like Lufthansa are predicting maintenance needs before they happen. This reduces downtime and keeps planes in the air longer, safely. So what's the takeaway? AWS is not just a cloud service, it's a powerhouse driving innovation, efficiency and safety in the aerospace industry. From designing next-gen aircraft to exploring distant planets, AWS is making it all possible. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.